Inna with the Innichka Chef, and welcome to my kitchen. What are you cooking for dinner? Today in my house it's a roasted chicken. I have to tell you, roasted chicken is go for meal dinner in my house and can be year round. We always love, and my husband once in a while asks, when it will become chicken with rosemary? And it immediately tells me he wants roasted chicken for dinner. That's what we're making today. And it's very simple, basic, but I will show how I make. And it's simple. You don't need to shop for any special ingredients. I think it's something what I always have in the fridge. Just get the chicken, and I will show you how in 1 hour you have wonderful, delicious meal in one pot. And for the ingredients we need, of course, chicken. Mine, look how beautiful, nice. I love chicken. And it's a little bit over the 5 pounds, but anywhere between 5 and 6 pounds will work for the time frame what I will give to you. Usually, as long as chicken reach 165 degrees, it's cooked. So we'll check, depends on your chicken, you check and you'll see it. Mine probably will take an hour. And for the ingredients we'll need onions, of course, small onions, so I'm using 2, a cup of carrots, and I didn't even wash. All I did just, I didn't even peel, I'm sorry. All I did just washed and scraped well. And in fact, more vitamins in the skin. I stop peeling unless it's unnecessary, some recipe. But for the most part, for this, I don't need it. Celeries, potato, I'm using Yukon potatoes. If you that's what I prefer and I recommend. But if you like red potato, you can use. I don't like in this particular dish. It's more waxy to me. And lemon for flavor. Also garlic and rosemary. I love rosemary. just so nice touch. Salt and pepper. That's all we need. But also. Besides the simple staple ingredients, I also will use some sauce, and I will show how to make. Delicious, just gives nice and beautiful glaze and crispy skins. That's all we want, right? And for that we'll use Dijon mustard, good quality butter, and honey. That's all we need. And towards to the end, I will make another glaze with tiny bit of soy sauce and honey, just to make extra crisp, extra sweet, delicious. It's totally optional, but that's what we're doing. So first, start with onion. And I like this meal because it's served one meal in one pot, and you don't have to do anything else. Salad would be nice as addition, but not necessary. Little bit of olive oil, pepper, and salt, and garlic. All we need, just randomly, no need peeling, just will be easy to slide the skin off once it's baked. And this will go inside. Make sure your chicken dry and has nothing inside. Lemon, rosemary, garlic, one more piece of lemon, some more rosemary. I'll put this side. This is not necessary to do, but just make nicer. And we'll stick this inside so they will not get burned. So nice. breast up. And for the sauce, for the glaze, I would say, we'll take butter, melt butter, about 2 tablespoons or so. My chicken has some fat, and make sure take, if you choose a regular supermarket, choose organic if possible. It's always better quality and taste afterwards, has less injection at least. About the same amount, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And the same amount, 2 tablespoons of honey. Now all we need to do just to warm up in microwave until butter is melted. Just 30 seconds. Whisk all together. This recipe I used for years. I think when we got married, that was my first roasted chicken recipe, and I think still, after trying so many, I think we still come back with this first one. And now pour this mustard honey glaze all over, and this brush gently. Now add pepper and salt. And be generous on salt. Unsalted meat has no taste, no flavor. Tuck back wings. Oops. 425 degrees, and first we place in the oven for 15 minutes. Breast up, as you see. As you see how nice, brown, beautiful, that's exactly what we want. If your chicken didn't get that nice brown within 15 minutes, leave for another 5, 6, 7 minutes until you will see that. And I like a little bit mix this vegetable with all the juice, little bit, so they all evenly cook. We don't want any burnt garlic, right? And the garlic, oh my goodness, I think it's my favorite part. Roasted garlic, what can be better? What can be better? And it's so juicy and just not compared to rotisserie chicken what you buy in a store. And now what I like to do, cover the parts it's already brown and the parts getting dry like breast. With my turkey or chicken, I always do that. Cover just this part. Just like that. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We don't need perfect. And now back to the oven in 300 degrees and about for another 45-50 minutes. We'll check and see. Depends on your chicken, depends on your oven, until it's reached 165. You don't want overbake. You don't want dry chicken, right? And it's ready. I'm hungry. Can't wait. Can't wait. It smells so good. I wish it would be in my kitchen. Smells so good, it's irresistible. I just won't eat right away. But I do one more step, which is totally optional, just to give more delicious color. And to the same cup, I didn't even wash, I add about 1 tablespoon of honey. Not a lot. And the same amount of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. And whisk. Sweet and salty. And now just for the breast. And now look how beautiful. Back to the oven, uncovered for another 5 minutes. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Make me hungry. Even if you are not hungry, you can smell this. Time to move to the platter just to speed up cooling process, and you have to cool at least 15-20 minutes, otherwise all juice will be escaped. And carefully arrange all vegetables around, and look how beautiful they are. The juice accumulated, it has a little bit starchy. It's starchy from potato. If you use a red potato, you won't have this. You will have much more thinner. So it's nice to use juice as it is, without even go to the trouble make gravy. And often I do that way. Unless for some special occasion I will make gravy, but on regular weeknight dinner I use this juice as it is. Little bit some green cilantro just for the color. Drizzle with olive oil. Yeah. Will be more shiny. Now time to taste. And the best part, of course, skin. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So good, so delicious. Ton of flavor. Nothing can beat freshly roasted chicken. It's delicious. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you give it a try. Make roasted chicken. It's no season for roasted chicken. Every day it's good reason to make roasted chicken for your family. Enjoy this video, and I hope to see you next time. And don't forget, give me a like. I love likes. Subscribe and visit my Patreon. Bye. See you next time.